everyone, I am Krishnapriya. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a slightly different video. It's a cooking video. I have made chicken fried rice and this is my version of chicken fried rice. So without delay, let's get into the video. For the first step, I have taken small pieces of chicken, and for the batter, I have taken corn flour, maida, salt, red chili powder, color, turmeric and ginger garlic paste. For the next step, I have taken all the chicken pieces in a mixing bowl. Next, I have added all the ingredients shown before in the chicken pieces and I am mixing them really well. Let the mixture rest for 10 minutes. Now place a pan on the stove and let it heat. After the pan gets heated up, add oil. And after the oil heats up, add the chicken pieces and fry them really well. Fry the chicken pieces on the both sides. It takes 15 minutes for the chicken pieces to get completely fried. After the chicken is completely fried, take them out of the oil and lay them on a tissue paper. Make sure the rice you are using is completely cool. Place another pan on the stove and add oil. After the oil gets hot, add onions and fry them until they are brown in color. Now I have taken 2 eggs. I have beaten them really well and I am directly pouring them into the oil. Make sure the flame is really high. Cook them for a couple of minutes in high flame. After the eggs are completely cooked, add the fried chicken pieces. Fry them for a minute. Now add the rice into the pan and fry it really well. Now I am adding a mixture of soya sauce, vinegar, red chili paste or red chili sauce and ketchup. I have added the spices such as red chili powder, garam masala, salt and some chicken masala. Fry them all for 5 minutes. Add chopped coriander leaves and curry leaves. Then fry it for another 5 minutes on high flame. And it's ready, you can serve it hot. So yeah, that was today's video. I became a little tired, as you can see, because I was cooking and I was recording at the same time, but it was worth it because it's too good. You can also try the recipe and tag me on Instagram. Share your comments or video requests in the comment section, and if you like what you're watching, do subscribe to my channel, and please like, share and comment to this video. And yeah, I'll see you in my next videos. Bye.